This video is the review and reflect for page 81. Here's the review, and I will work this out in a minute, so you might want to pause the video to try it on your own. The reflect is for you to create a mnemonic device that can help you remember the 9 steps for graphing. You can find the 9 steps for graphing in your textbook on section 4.3 graphing guidelines. So if you go to My Math Lab, go into searching the textbook, and you should be able to go to chapter 4 section 3 and go to the interactive notebook, the interactive textbook, and you will see graphing guidelines there. We should also be covering them in the lecture notes as well, but that's a good place to find them. So like I said, you can pause so you can try to do the review on your own. So our job is to find the first derivative as well as the second derivative of sine squared x. So I just want to remind you that we can let u equal to sine of x. So now we're going to have something that looks like u squared. And then we know the derivative of u with respect to x is cosine of x. So when we take our derivative, we're going to bring down the 2. We'll get u to the 1 power and then take the derivative of u with respect to x. So that's our job, to find f prime of x. We're going to bring down the 2, have sine of x, and then times the derivative of u, which is cosine of x. What I want you to notice here is that we could either use, we have 2 options. One, we can use the product rule to find the second derivative by using u and v. Or if we recognize that this is our double angle, so this is the same thing as sine of 2x. So I'm going to use this one because it's a lot easier. For this one, we're just going to use our chain rule. So remember, from here to here, what I did was use our double angle identity. So now we need to take the derivative of this. We're going to let u equal to 2x. So we see that we have sine of u. Du with respect to x is equal to 2. So what we're going to do when we take the derivative of this, the derivative of sine is cosine of u, and then we're going to multiply that times du with respect to x. So f double prime of x, we're going to take the derivative of sine, that's cosine of 2x, and we're going to put that one times the derivative of my u, which is 2. So we're going to find that f double prime of x is equal to 2 times cosine of 2x. And that concludes this video.